Have you ever wondered, in the vast, interconnected world of cryptocurrency, who stands guard over your digital assets when you use a wallet like Bifrost? It's a question that cuts right to the heart of trust and security in a decentralized space. Unlike traditional banks where your funds are held by a central entity, the beauty and complexity of crypto wallets lie in their unique approach to ownership and protection. So, when we talk about Bifrost Wallet, what exactly are we talking about? Bifrost Wallet is a secure, private, and non-custodial crypto wallet. This non-custodial aspect is absolutely critical. It means that unlike an exchange where the platform holds your private keys, with Bifrost, you are the sole custodian of your keys. Think of your private keys as the master key to your digital safe. If someone else holds that key, they control your safe. With Bifrost, that key stays firmly in your hands, encrypted on your device. This fundamental design choice immediately shifts the paradigm of who guards your assets. It's not a singular entity or a team of security guards in a physical building. Instead, it's a multi-layered approach, a blend of robust technological safeguards and, crucially, your own vigilance. Let's break down the layers of protection. Firstly, there's the wallet's inherent design. Bifrost Wallet has undergone independent security audits by reputable firms like Cure 53 and FYEO. These audits meticulously scour the code for vulnerabilities, ensuring that the foundational software is as robust as possible. The fact that they've found no critical vulnerabilities is a testament to their commitment to security from the ground up. Beyond the initial audits, continuous testing and reviews are part of their ongoing efforts to stay ahead of potential threats. They're constantly hunting for ways to improve, recognizing that the landscape of cybersecurity is ever-evolving. Then there's the user interface itself, designed to provide greater insight into transaction details. This might seem minor, but it's a powerful security feature. By clearly showing you what you're signing, Bifrost helps prevent you from accidentally authorizing malicious transactions, a common trick used by scammers. But here's where your role as a guardian truly comes into play. Since Bifrost is non-custodial, the ultimate responsibility for your private keys and recovery phrase lies with you. This isn't just about the wallet's code, it's about how you interact with it and how you protect your personal information. If you lose your recovery phrase, or if it falls into the wrong hands, your funds are gone. No one, not even the Bifrost team, can help you recover them because they never had access to your keys in the first place. This highlights the importance of best practices, securely storing your recovery phrase offline, being wary of phishing attempts, using strong, unique passwords, and enabling any additional security features the wallet offers. In essence, the guard of the Bifrost Wallet is a collaborative effort, a well-audited, secure application working in tandem with an informed and vigilant user. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.